Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the removal safe and quick. Turn off the breaker for the chime circuit so you avoid accidental shocks. This prevents damage and resets. Once done, use the supplied screwdriver to unclip the faceplate and slide the battery module straight out. Don't twist. Make sure you have a USB-C cable and a 5V/2A charger ready because charging voltage and current affect charge time and battery longevity. This gets you into the charging step without delays. You now connect the USB-C cable to the battery first, then to the charger. This order reduces sparks and ensures the battery's electronics initialize properly. Plug into a 5V/2A adapter. You'll typically see a blinking LED while charging and solid when complete, which means the battery reached full capacity. Charge on a flat surface between 10 and 30 degrees Celsius. Heat or cold slows charging and stresses chemistry. Once you see full, disconnect the cable to avoid tripping. You'll finish by inserting the battery into the doorbell until it clicks and snapping the faceplate back on. Then restore the breaker so the chime and wiring are live again. Once powered, open the Google Home app and verify live video and motion alerts. These may take up to 30 seconds to re-establish. If the doorbell doesn't power on, first retry charging with a known good cable and 5V/2A adapter, then try a device reset. These steps fix most issues without replacing the battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.